Let's raise the vibes and make plantain beans and gare. This is a popular Ghanaian dish and one of my favorites. The beans, the stew, red palm oil, and plantain. They just complement one another so well and have so much flavor. To get started, we're going to add 2 bags of black-eyed pea beans to a pot, rinse them, then add water, so about 2 inches of water is submerged over the beans, and then add your seasoning. My preference is 3 Maggi cubes and Himalayan salt, that's optional. And then we're going to set this on the stove to boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Next, we're going to add 4 chopped tomatoes into a blender. I used 5, it's optional. And then next, you're going to add a chopped onion. Then add 3 habaneros, garlic. Next, 1 diced jalapeno, and then 1-inch size of ginger. I love how the ginger gives the stew a nice peppery flavor and has so many medicinal properties, just like the tomato, packed with vitamin C and K and potassium, and great for your eyes. And the onions also are packed with antioxidants and different compounds to fight inflammation. So this is just an overall healthy, nutritious dish to enjoy. We're going to dice 1 onion, and this is going to be how we start our delicious stew. Don't forget to check on the beans and stir occasionally. Then add our main ingredient, red palm oil from Ghana. This can be found in your local international store or on Amazon. Fry the onions for about 10 minutes on high heat until they become translucent. So this is how you want your onions to look. And then that's when you know you should add your blended mixture. And then we're going to cook this stew for 20 minutes. And you want to stir occasionally. Then add our seasoning, Himalayan salt, and Maggi. Interesting fact is the red name comes from the unprocessed natural red palm fruit oil color that is used in the dish, and is the first cooking oil dating back over 5,000 years, used as the main ingredient in West, Central, and North Africa. Red pigment contains antioxidants, carotenoids, beta-carotene, vitamin A and E, and can be used just like coconut oil. When your oil is sitting on top of the stew, that's when you know it's ready for the tomato paste. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of organic tomato paste and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Now our final step to this delicious stew is to add the nice soft and moist beans and stir it into the stew to incorporate all of the flavors so it can all marinate, and then you can let this cook on low heat for like another 5 to 10 minutes. And then we are done with this portion of making our delicious red stew. Next, we're going to cut our plantains diagonally. I chose today to make my plantain in an air fryer. I believe it's more efficient. If you feel like frying your plantain, you can absolutely do that as well, based on your preference. I still eat fried plantain as well. Just today, I just felt like making it in the air fryer. adding some Himalayan salt. Bam, bam, bam. And yeah, gotta crank it out. Also gonna add my powdered red pepper, Nina International. Gonna put these in the air fryer for about 10 minutes each on each side. You can put it on 350 to 400 degrees and we're gonna be done. And here's our delicious golden brown plantain, moist and nice and a little crispy on the outside. It was fun cooking with you all. For more healthy recipes, like, comment, and subscribe.